Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is like hands down one of my favorite juices in the moment. And I grabbed this a couple of weeks ago or this week, and I've been hitting and drinking and drinking and drinking. It's because I like it so much. This is the Ocean Spray Ruby Red Grapefruit Juice, and it's just great. I've had this already with sparkling water alone, lots of ice, and just like I love to have this with any one of my meals. And one of the things that I like the most is that I always like grapefruit since I was a kid. Like growing up in the Caribbean, having grapefruit is always one of the best and most refreshing options that you would get for just like to have a straight drink. And the refreshness and the low sugar in this juice, it just tastes great. It's not too high in sugar. It's gonna feel actually the good flavor of a grapefruit, and it's just actually great, great, great quality. So if you're looking for a great option for you just to have it for cocktails or just have it for uh, straight with no problem, this guy does the job. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point.